violate, shift them curve and bend up with enough gunshots we are send up. When me say ego, them nothing there.
Yeah, and that's that seriously, you see me? That's a seriously thing I go on, you know? Seriously. I eat them sick music, the thing name, you see me? M-U-Z-I-K, not M-U-S-I-T, you see me? Music we say same way. Chemistry music, all type of genre. How we say, 876 chemistry music, 876 music, QI production, all these things, you see me? Yeah. No lighter.
I'm thinking for a joke. Yeah, man. I'm from that 876. Let me take about 876. Get like 6 bitches, you know what I'm saying? Take about 8-7 picks. Bitches on our dick, so we drive about 8-7 whips. Shorty say she like me, man. Damn, that's a trip. Got a point. Shorty on the shit, but you know what you gonna do. 876, man, that's the whole crew. You already know, man. That's a little freestyle for you. 876,
Yo. Yeah, man, these kids represent the 876 music, chemistry music, QI production, the whole thing, you agree? Yeah, man, there, you know, on the end, you agree? Washington. Well, Lord, you did, you don't know that, you see? Come and see me, you know what I did to you, though. Yeah, we used to 876 music. Know these things. Man say, yo, free these things. Oh, God, to do. Let them know no man what smoke, though. Yeah, that man I need that, though. Yeah, that man DJ, they do 876 music. Yeah, bring it to you, 876 chemistry music. Yeah, live, direct. Yeah, man.
Make your brain ooze when I tap. Leave your body bruised when I hit you with a strap. Hit your body loose on your shoes when I wounds when I tap on the jack from the tools. If you wanna go against me, nigga, better don't stumble. I stomp on that pussy ass as soon as you fumble. The last nigga this I introduced to the shredder, I even glue. Could've put his pussy ass together in any kind of whatever my teach your body with a 12-gauge shotty. All my niggas call me Gotti. Don't boast the body, cause I don't fuck with my Maggie. All my sound is daddy. In the corner, I can see right you niggas like Crystal. Your bitch bustin' up when she caressing my pistol. It's alright, cause you a fake motherfucker. Take one step, I leave you in a lake, motherfucker. Yeah, hate motherfuckers who could try to flip. Who have some little niggas who could try to fit. But for all the little niggas think you ready to play, I got a nigga called Eagle got something to say.
Yeah, man, we're up on the end, you know?
Niggas to the heat that I pack. Make your brain ooze when I clap. Leave your body